¡Esa! ¿Qué pasó, Alright, I'm over this. Stop. Come. On the brick drum. Stop! I don't want you recording me, and I don't want you recording
With the pillow, I'm recording your vagina.
No!
They're coming back.
What does it signify? What's happening? What's the light for?
Am I dying?
Stop it! This is too many cameras.
See God.
There's more!
Are you just? Are you filming us?
I need to capture this moment.
Oh, did you put the light on so you could see better?
Yes.
So I'm blind. Let's move on.
Get your finger out of the way.
Wait, no, it's the middle one. I went like that. Ah, jeez.
Hurts.
Smile for the camera. Like you went into Cassandra's house.
Music.
I'm playing video games.
That's slow.
You wish. Stop! This still scares me. Now I'm hungry. Oh my god!
Sorry, something needed to happen. Nothing was happening.